mustard, eggplant, potato vermicelli pasta, or mustard aubergine potato vermicelli pasta, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the vermicelli recipes and one of the most different of the pasta recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the mustard recipes and one of the most different of the aubergine recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes. Today we're going to make mustard, eggplant, potato vermicelli pasta, or mustard aubergine potato vermicelli pasta. The ingredients are 1 eggplant or aubergine fruit cut into pieces, 1 potato cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, and 100 grams of roasted vermicelli pasta. If you are taking regular vermicelli pasta, you have to roast it. Now put in salt to taste into the eggplant. Put in the potato pieces. Put in a spoon of mustard paste. Mix. Put in 1 spoon of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture marinate for around 25 to 30 minutes. Heat the pan and pour in thin amount of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Now put in the tomato paste. Saute the tomato pieces with the rest of the mixture. Now put in the potato and the aubergine and the eggplant pieces. Now pour in water, mix thoroughly in this water. Upon mixing until all the ingredients are nicely incorporated. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix thoroughly and let the water boil. Pour in around 150 ml of water. Mix and let the mixture cook in the pressure cooker for another 8 to 10 minutes. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in the roasted vermicelli pasta and mix. And let this mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes more. Now the mustard eggplant potato vermicelli pasta is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mustard eggplant potato vermicelli pasta or mustard aubergine potato vermicelli pasta, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the pasta recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the vermicelli recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dinner recipes for weight loss and one of the most different of the mustard recipes and one of the most unique of the pasta recipes.